today. Morning, no bites. 1 hour na, wala pang walang huli.
Wala pa siyang nahuli dyan?
Almost 1 hour. No bonita. No bonita.
Gusto mo, Mae?
Umuwi na yung iba. Oh.
Mae.
1 hour na.
Bale, ang susunod, aperte.
Wow! Wow!
Ate, payangot. Kulit. Kasi, isa sa bola. Oh, meron ka na. Ha? Good. Marami ka eh.
Grabe, yan na.
Taas mo na, sige, taas mo. No, ito, gari.
Oh, what?
Bato mo yung isa.
Ah.
Bato ka dito. Yeah! Ilagay mo lang doon sa ano ni Tito mo yan, Mark. Hindi, i-overpass mo. Overpass mo na. Layo. Kaabot siya. Taga, tayo. Dito ka sa kabel. Sa babaw. Yan, parang nilamit tayo. Yan. Ay.
Babe?
Ah. Ah. Ah.
Oh no.
Ah, shit.
No.
Another one, nice. Wala na. Nahulog ang dalawa. Dalawa nahulog.
One of those are... Hold on.
So yours are what color?
Yeah.
The blues.
Ito.
So these are ours right here? This one?
Loko.
Yeah, that one is ours.
This one's ours, that one's ours.
This one.
And that one's this.
Yeah. I think you got one. You got
Yeah,
one.
Yeah, we got two, you got one.
You got one.
No, it's not.
Oh, wow.
Yeah, we're looking at the
No.
whoever's that blue one she says, and then we got two.
I
of
think
them.
this one, that one, yeah, this one, yeah,
Yeah.
that one.
That's mine.
That's yours?
Yeah.
No, this is ours right here. Or no, wait.
Agay.
You had that one, and then that one just came off ours.
It's already here.
Here you go.
Okay, lalagyan mo.
Look, the hook is this one.
Yeah.
Okay, yeah, it's not ours.
So, huh?
Ours is this green one right here. I swear I saw it, and that green one, two of them, but okay, whatever. A lot of them fell.
Umikot na eh.
You got it? Fuck. Big strong bastard. Babe, get the fire.
What's the name?
Got the fire ready?
Agay.
See, go on that side. Bato.
Oh, come on.
Hold on. You got it from there.
Alright. Whose line is this?
Yeah, that's yours. Got it.
Ano na sa akin dyan?
I don't know. Don't ask me.
Okay, that's our rod right there. You can.
I know you have fish.
Okay.
Huh?
I'll take 2
Okay.
because I swear to God I saw it on mine.
I don't know.
Nahulog dalawa.
May nahulog po. Tatlo.
Tatlo.
Tatlo daw nahulog. Baka kasama sa inyo. Let me grab one.
Okay.
It's been all over social media. That's why it's a big crowd. I have not tried a bonita yet, so that'll be my first. Here, sir, can you lift up your left leg there? All right, thank you. You can cut mine right here if you want. The braided is more complicated than the monofilament. This one right here. Thank you, sir. What? Yeah, that's why I have it only just in case it gets tangled or something. There we go, right here. Go right here.
Hindi naman nasasabit eh.
Ahora sí, man, está puesto.
¿De quién es Sara? Espérate. Espérame.
Cut the line!
Hay que tener cuidado. Ay, espérate. Ah, espérate.
Pero apenas es bonito.
No lo pongas tan arriba, ven y ponme. O baja más abajo, por favor. Bájalo más abajo. Espérate, ya estoy sacando. Ya estoy sacando.
Cut the line! Everyone go home!
Sí, está bien.
Everyone go home!
Nay.
Move on, you're about to go somewhere else. Patient. Medyo tight mo nga ng konti yung ano ko. Yung alay ko. Konti lang. Yan. Ay, ganigado you guys. Ganigado you. Cut your line! Tahimik yung katabi ko rito.
Bulahan.
Ay, pambayad yan!
Wow! Woo!
Oh, fuck. Ha!
Video.
Teka. Wala na akong cellphone. Nasa na ako?
Pikuan ilan skip.
Go!
Ilan skip na. Woo! Bingo. Ah. Tanggal na, tanggal na.
You gotta put it by your hand. Put it by your hand.
Tanggal na, tanggal.
Ipasok ko cellphone ba? Siya nakatubot pa.
Pull by your hand. Dami na na.
Ang kuan.
Oh!
Sige, cage your line.
Ay, where you going, ha?
Going to tell you, sacar cosas de la bota.
Kapit na to na ako matanggal ang kanito.
Naku, wala na.
Okay, date a zona, ¿verdad?
Hindi, wala. Nasama dito.
Wala na ko'y kuan. Putol na po ni putol. Hmm.
Ano ka to na? Yan. Ayaw kayo na kung ano na.
Ilan na kabot na?
5 plus tulog.
Doon lang. Ah! Ah! Wala na ko'y kuan na, no?